In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay an NYC red light camera ticket online. The easiest way to handle this is by using the official New York City payment system. To begin, open your browser and go to the NYC Parking and Camera Tickets page, or head directly to the NYC CityPay ticket portal. Using the official city website is important because it helps make sure your payment is processed securely and correctly. Once you're on the payment page, the next step is to enter your ticket information. If you have the notice with you, type in the 10-digit violation number exactly as it appears on the ticket. Take a moment to double check the number before moving forward, since even one incorrect digit can pull up the wrong record or prevent the system from finding your violation. If you don't have the ticket in front of you, you can still look it up using your vehicle details instead. Enter your license plate number, choose the issuing state, and then select the vehicle type, such as passenger or commercial. This gives the system another way to locate the red light camera ticket tied to your vehicle. After your ticket appears, review the details carefully so you know you're paying the correct violation. This is a good point to confirm the amount due and make sure everything matches your records before you continue. Next, choose how you want to pay. If you want to avoid extra charges, you can select electronic check, also called e-check. This option has no service fee, so it's usually the most cost-effective choice. If you'd rather use a credit card, debit card, PayPal, or Venmo, those payment methods are also available, but they come with a 2% processing fee. Knowing that ahead of time can help you decide which option works best for you. Once you've selected your payment method, continue through the prompts on the screen to complete the transaction. As you enter your payment information, make sure everything is accurate to avoid delays or failed payments. When the payment goes through, it's a smart idea to save your confirmation page or receipt right away. You may want to download it, take a screenshot, or print it for your records. Keeping proof of payment can be helpful if you ever need to verify that the ticket was paid. And that's it. By going to the official NYC ticket portal, entering your violation number or vehicle information, and choosing your preferred payment method, you can pay your NYC red light camera ticket online quickly and securely.